Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a room tour of my room back in Texas. I recorded this last year and I'm just now uploading it. You guys know I went to boot camp, and also check out that video. But yeah, I went to boot camp and I was in training and just not was able to like get back my software and everything that I recorded before. So just enjoy this video. This is my brother's room, bathroom, and my room. This is my bed, and it's a full-size bed. I got it from Amazon, and I'll link everything down below. But yeah, basically I have this white comforter and beige, kind of beige set for the fitting sheet and the pillowcases. Then I got this hot pink pillows. I got those two frames up there, and then this is navy blue, and this is, I tried to combine it with it, but you know, I bought this first, so I tried at least. And it's gold with blue, and it has like, it's like this underneath. This I got it from Walmart, and since it combines with everything, I just, you know, got everything in the same tones and stuff. So here I have my bookshelf. I try to keep it as organized and as color coordinated as possible. And this one I got it from Target, but here I just have like some notebooks, some books. I have this candle to hold that, and this is from Bath and Body Works, in the candle holder, I would call it like that. My jewelry box. Here I have all my rings and everything, it's in there. My Bibles, all of them. More notebooks in that Alexander Hamilton book. Down here I have my senior yearbook. I have other books, notebooks. Here I have mostly school stuff, and yeah, just these binders and stuff right there. And down here, I have connected, of course, the Alexa. And here I have my printer. And the whole idea of buying this bookshelf was for me to have a place for my printer, because it doesn't fit in my desk. So, yeah, that was the whole idea of it. And here I have this multi-plug for my stuff, devices, and especially my Apple Watch. So this part doesn't look that cute, but here I have my desk area. This desk is from Walmart, and this chair, it was from Facebook Market, but it was bought new, brand new. So you just gotta, you know, take a look on that. And this here I have this like board where I just put everything that I'm gonna do, usually throughout the week. And here I have like a planner kind of thing, to-do list. Here I have my high school diploma, which is, I know it's kind of crooked, but it's not even the frame, it's like on the inside. I gotta stick it somehow, some way. And then I have this two, I will call wall shelves. Here I have my old camera, some perfumes that I don't really use, but they go with the collars. So, and then my high school frame thing, and that little thing that I got gifted, that lamp, of course my laptop. I have down here my tablet and a folder, and of course here you pull it out and I have all my pens, markers, dry erasers, everything. My stationery, basically. Everything that doesn't go like really color coordinated with like the outside. The pencil holder. This is for my phone holder to have here on my desk. And I got all of these from Amazon. So yeah. And this desk, I'm gonna show you the share though. This is the one I use for most of my videos and recordings and everything. And it only has one drawer. So here I know it kind of looks like a mess, but it's kind of organized actually. So I have here my sticky notes, yeah, color pencils, my remote for my TV, wallets, and yeah, so that's basically it for my desk area. I love it.
Well guys, I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, like this video, and also turn the bell on so you can get notifications whenever I post a new video. And thank you for your support. I hope you stick around, and love you guys. See you later. Bye.